Welcome. Here is how you can create custom item auto ID through custom item ID smart column. App features. This app helps you automatically generate custom IDs for your items. It activates trigger to create the auto ID in your specified column. For example, you can generate a custom ID for departments based on the name entered in the form. Let's get started with the setup instructions. Click on the text column to install it. Now, go to the three-dot menu and click on Column Extension. Next, select Custom ID from the options. Now, enter a prefix for your custom ID. For example, use EMP for employee records. You can choose any prefix as needed. Next, select the column you want to use to generate the custom ID. For example, choose Name to generate IDs based on item names. Now, configure the minimum length of the custom ID string. Next, set the starting number for the custom ID. For example, choose one to start with 001 if the minimum value is set to 3. Now choose when to activate the custom ID from options like item created, item moved, column changed, status changed, or item name changed. Example setup. Select item created as the trigger method and click Save, then refresh the page. Now, whenever a new item is created, the app will automatically generate a custom ID in the text column. Example usage. Add a department name in the name field, such as Fin for Finance, and click Submit. The app will generate a custom ID like EMP-002-Fin. Use the custom ID to maintain and reference employee records based on department and unique numbers. Get it now on Monday App Marketplace.